Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm pretty excited about this video, guys. You may have seen my teaser with a little bit of the short video I did showing you this new grill. Today we're going to do the first cook, and I'm going to give you my first impressions. I have not used this grill yet. We're going to do that together right now. But the good people at Monument Grills reached out to me recently and asked if I would like to try out one of their latest versions of one of their grills. And I'm like, yeah. Yeah, I'd actually just started having problems with my old grill, so worked out perfectly. So we went back and forth a couple times, and they decided they want to send me their latest version of the Mesa 400. Let me show you around this thing real quick. I don't know how well you can see it. It's starting to get dark, and I'm sure I'll be pulling out some extra lighting. But this has got some LED lighting on the knobs. That's neat because even at nighttime you can see exactly where you're dialed in at here. That is very cool, and it just makes the grill pop, makes it look great. Second thing, we can see it obvious. You got our temperature gauge here, but this is a glass window. They call that the clear view. You can actually watch your food without opening the lid. It'll be interesting, and one of the questions I have is what's the best thing to use to keep that glass clean, because that will get smoked up starting tonight. Let's take a look inside. I don't have the paperwork printed out with me right now, but this thing features 690 square inches of cooking space. That's plenty for most of our cooks. You can see I got my smoke box set up here. We're going to do some wings on this here a little bit. And I got some mesquite wood set up here. We're going to get some smoke rolling on the very first cook. One of the things I like about this versus other grills I've had, and I've had more than one gas grill, this actually comes straight up. That's going to make cleaning a whole lot easier than other grills that I've had in the past. And if I do something where I don't want that in there, I can just remove it real easy without any problems. I like that feature, the way they've done that on the Monument grill. They have these side burners where we can do some awesome side dishes. I sometimes in the summertime like to come out and put on a pot of coffee right out here on the burner. That's going to be awesome. Full disclosure, I put this thing together in 20-something degree weather in an unheated garage. I don't know if I've done something wrong or something's wrong with it, but this side burner is not working. I'm going to look into that later. I have a feeling it's something that I did. We'll address that later. Down underneath here, there's plenty of storage down here. You can put some extra racks, outdoor racks, just whatever you need. I'll be keeping my smoker box down there when I'm not using it. Propane tank's very easy to install. It's got the lock in there and everything hooked up real easy. Probably one of the easiest grills I've ever had to put a tank in. I'm getting older, and it gets harder as I get older. A lot of grill makers are doing this now, if not all of them. This lower rack underneath the grill, it slides out. So I can take that all the way out, and that's going to make cleanup on this grill very easy. And everything should go real good on it. I like that. I love that feature. Alright guys, my initial impressions on this is this thing's pretty stout. I don't know if you can see behind this. There's a covered up grill, my old grill that I've been in a recent video said I was very mad at. I am, because it has not held up. And I've only had it a few years, and it's a big name brand. So I'm not going to say that here, but this one's pretty stout. The side arm or tables over here are built pretty solid on both sides, unlike some of the other brands. I really like that. I think you can hold some extra weight. I like this grill, guys, and it's not just because they sent it to me to use, but I think it's going to be a good grill. Everything looks pretty solid. I'm going to use this a lot, and I'll show more videos, and I'll do a full review down the road, and we'll see where it goes from there. But right now, I'm ready to get cooking some wings. Get this thing turned on. We'll get her fired up and get her heated up, then we'll go inside and season up those wings. It's going to be a very simple cook. Hey guys, I've got roughly, it's about 3 pounds of wings. They were frozen in a bag that I picked up at the grocery. And I'm just going to get a little olive oil in here. And I'm just going to mix these up. Get them all coated with just a little. That'll help that skin crisp up real good out there on the grill. And I'm just gonna follow it up, and this is all we're gonna use, some herbaceous hen seasoning, that guys. I love this stuff. Get that all coated real well. All right, time to get the chicken on here. You can see I got some smoke rolling. That didn't take that long, to be honest with you. I'm gonna come up here with my hands. Go ahead and put these on the top rack just so they can get a little smoke before I grill them off. I don't know how many I can get up here. We're gonna get them though. Learning curve on this is simply the dials. This is a new grill to me, so I obviously need to learn to control the temperature. This is gonna work. We're gonna make this work right here. Alright guys, it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm just gonna come and turn these just so we can get some smoke everywhere. I think it's gonna get it anywhere anyway, but it should cook up pretty fast. Yeah, getting a little smoke on them. You're just not gonna get major smoke, but I like to get that hint of mesquite on the wings, or whatever I'm using today. It's mesquite wood. I'm holding a pretty steady 350 degrees right now, which is about where I want it to be. All right, we'll come back in a bit. Okay, you can see we're getting some flame kisses already. I'm gonna keep everything down somewhat low. I'm gonna go ahead and start moving these down to the lower level. Time to start grilling. It'll happen real quick now, guys. Check back in a bit. We'll start turning this pretty quick, guys. I don't know what kind of view you got. It's getting dark on me. I don't know if you can see the chicken down there through the clear view. That's a pretty cool feature. I like that. Keeping it clean could be an issue, but we'll figure that out. Well, guys, I'm trying to get you some different camera angles, but I'm scared I'm going to block your view. Get these turned. We'll be doing this a lot until they're done. Alright guys, I'm going to keep doing this. We'll come back when we are closer to done, because this is the whole process. Just rotate, 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 and move around. Haven't figured out the hot spots on this grill yet, so it'll be interesting. Now the lights are shining. I love that. We're just moving these around. Got some more done than others. To be expected. I'm moving them up top as they get the temperature I want. I'm gonna finish these off, guys, and we'll see you inside and we'll get a taste test. It's getting awfully dark out here. Look at that, guys. Who would not love that plate of wings? Smells delicious, cooked perfectly. Let's get a bite of that. Alright guys, get in here where we can see. It got really dark on me out there. Guys, tell you what, these wings look phenomenal. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, I can't wait to get a bite of that. The cook was so good on that new grill, guys. I really enjoyed that. The seasoning on that is phenomenal. Perfect crisp on the skin. Very good, guys. That's not really what this video is about. The video is about the Mesa 400 grill from Monument Grills. Another bite and we'll talk. That grill, it's pretty bold. It looks like it's put together really good, and I really enjoyed it. One message here, and I'll finish out on the cook. They reached out to me today, just today, and provided me with a link. I'm going to put that down in the description, and a promo code KENMG will get you 10% off your order from the website at that link. So guys, be sure to check that out if you're interested in a new grill. Yeah, I just got that today, and glad to provide it for them. And I gotta say, I'm impressed with the grill. I'm very impressed with the grill. We'll see how it holds up down the road. But for now, compared to my old grill, tell you what, my older grill has a larger chamber and it takes forever to heat up. We was up to temperature within minutes and had some smoke rolling on the wood out there in a very short period of time. So I was very impressed with that. It's probably due to the smaller chamber too, although 690 square inches is a pretty good size for cooking. So guys, thank you as always. Be sure to check out the website below. Check out Monument Grills. Monument Grills, thank you so much for trusting me with this video, and we're gonna have more to come. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.